Hello YouTube, welcome to this amazing video. Today I'm going to talk about time cycles. Time cycles are some sort of magical memory in financial markets such as cryptocurrency, stock market and forex. If I want to explain time cycles, I have to use some example. For example, in cryptocurrency market and on Bitcoin, we have different kind of time cycles. In this case, I'm going to study what Bitcoin has done in each last month of year, okay? On 2020, in December, November, and October, Bitcoin started big bullish wave. You can see that here. It's completely obvious. In 2019, on December, Bitcoin started another big bullish wave. In 2018, we had a big bearish wave. Let's move to Bitstamp chart for more history. Binance chart is limited. In 2017, you can see in October, November, and December, we had another big wave. Okay, so far we can understand that in last month of each year we have some sort of strong waves. Okay. On 2016, on October, November, December, you can see another big wave here. 2015, another big bullish wave here. In 2014, another big bearish wave here. See, it's completely obvious. 2013, strong wave to the moon. We can understand that in last months of each year for Bitcoin, we have strong waves. Sometimes it's bullish, sometimes it's bearish. And you might ask me, how can we understand the direction of trend? And my answer is technical analysis. Okay, for example, we can see a big head and shoulder pattern here, and the breakout happened in last month of year, and you can see big bullish wave started. Okay, sometimes the direction of the trend is completely clear for us. Okay, for example, here we had a ranged area. Okay, and the breakout occurred in last month of the year. We had a pullback and another big bullish wave started. Another head and shoulder pattern here. So you can actually use technical analysis to understand the direction of trend. For example, we had a strong support area, and this strong support area has been broken. Okay, so we can understand that the price is going to go down in last month of year. Okay, so in this case, we are actually reaching the last month of this year, and I can predict that if the price of Bitcoin moves down, for example, if the price moves to 24K level or 20K level, I'm going to buy because I can predict that the price will go up in last month of year. But why? Because we have a divergence in RSI indicator, and also we had a previous all-time high in this area. So this is a strong support area. Okay, it's usually too hard for a price to break all-time high area in first hit. Okay, so if the price hit this area, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. Okay, this is not a financial advice. We are educating Bitcoin and we are analyzing Bitcoin to understand the direction and time cycles. Okay, but if the price move up until that day and until the last month of the year, it would be a little bit unclear for me right now. But in that time, I mean in the last month of the year, it would be crystal clear. Okay, so I'm going to wait for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin moves down, I'm going to buy because I think in the last month of the year it will go up. And if it goes up, I can wait a little bit to understand the direction of trend. Okay, but this is the first example of time cycles. Okay, the next example of time cycle is if we move to weekly time frame, we can see after big waves on Bitcoin, for example, this big wave or this big wave of Bitcoin, we can see we have correction wave and downtrend for around 700 days. Okay, you can see that here. And the next downtrend took long, approximately 700 or 800 days. Okay, so after big waves in Bitcoin, we have 7 to 800 days correction. Okay, so after this bullish cycle of Bitcoin ends, we are going to have, for example, if Bitcoin reaches to 200k level. Okay, after this we are going to move down for 8 or 700 days, and this is the time cycle of bearish waves and bearish cycles of Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later, guys.